Have you ever, paused for a moment to consider this? Almost every book you read, every notebook you scribble in, every exam paper you encounter is always white. But interestingly, paper wasn't always like this. In fact, for most of human history, paper didn't even exist. Thousands of years ago, humans wrote on stones and cave walls. Later on, they turned to clay tablets and even animal skin. Writing was quite heavy and expensive, reserved for those in power. Then, around 3000 BCE, ancient Egypt introduced papyrus, made from plants. It resembled paper, but it cracked easily and didn't last very long. The real game changer happened in 105 AD in China, when Kai Lun developed paper using tree bark, old cloth, and plant fibers. This paper was light, affordable, and quite powerful, but it wasn't white. It had a yellowish, brown hue, the natural color of raw fibers. Back then, color wasn't a priority. What truly mattered was this one thing: people could finally write, learn, and share ideas. Centuries later, during the Industrial Revolution, the process of making paper evolved. Fibers were cleaned, and paper became brighter. White paper turned out to be something special. Black ink stood out clearly. Eyes experienced less strain. Words became much easier to read. Knowledge was easier to spread. And that's why the world opted for white. Not for beauty, but for clarity.